In this video I'm going to show you how to disassemble the Faber curtain you can see right here. Once in a while it happens that this one gets pulled out by my kids. It happens every 6 months. They don't pull downwards, they pull to the left, and then it falls out. And it's super annoying because every 6 months I have to figure out how to put it back. And I cannot find anything online. I cannot find the YouTube videos for it or any help anywhere from Faber, which is a big, I don't know why to me. And I'm frustrated because I'm looking at this thing, how do I get it down? And it's actually super simple. So I'm doing this video for me so I can remember next time, but maybe it can help you as well. So if you have a screwdriver, you're just gonna push on the small plastic thing you can see right here. Now I'm gonna disassemble it and then you can see how this works, because if I pull here, push here and then to the left, you're going to be able to see here that it works like this, that this small thing will do like this, and once it's in here, which it is when it's in the window, I can push it there and then it falls out. So once that has happened, I can pull this out in the other end. And now it's my daughter who's filming right now, and she's the reason this happens so many times, right, Katrine?
No, this is Olivia's room.
Yeah.
So
okay.
It's not me.
Okay, but you did it as well.
Yes.
Yeah. So
one time, only one time.
No, many times. Okay. Katrine, now we're gonna show and hopefully help a lot of people so they don't get as frustrated as your daddy. So can you?
He is really frustrated.
Really frustrated, really angry. Yeah. Can you film here so I can show something?
Yes.
So right here you're going to see that there's a small hole, and I can turn this. So I'm going to put this one here, and in the small hole I'm going to, and then just force it through. It's a little bit, you just need to use force, and then force it through like this. This, and once it's in there, you can just put it in this end again, and then you just put it up. And there's a small detail I want to show you as well, if I can find it. Where's this thing, Katrine, we had? Oh, it's gone. Yeah, here it is. So I don't want to know what you call this. I'm gonna call it a chain, and somewhere it's gonna have this small thing, and once you put the window up, you can just put it in where it fits. It makes sure that you cannot pull it too far. So when it comes up here, yeah, I don't know actually. I'm not a professional person, so I don't know what it actually does, but it needs to be there somewhere. And that's the whole problem. That, because then you move your finger. The whole problem is that Faber should have made a video where normal people can see how to disassemble this curtain, instead of only the professional people, because it's so simple. And with this video I hope I've helped you a little bit, and if I helped you, then please give it a like or comment so I can see, and Faber can see, that they need to do videos like this. Anyway, now I'm just gonna show you how to put it up again. You're gonna start with this end down here, put it in, and then the other end, and that's actually it. Then it's inside. Super simple. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I helped you. Bye.